Login failed on River Financial app fix. You try to open your River Financial app to check your Bitcoin balance or buy more, but instead you get the dreaded login failed message. It's annoying. The surprising truth is, most of the time, it's a small glitch you can fix easily. First, check your internet connection. River Financial's app requires a stable and secure network to authenticate your login. If you're using public Wi-Fi or a weak signal, try switching to mobile data or a stronger home connection. Next, update your app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search River Financial. If you see Update, tap it. Outdated apps often lose compatibility with River's newest security protocols, causing login errors. Now, manually re-enter your username and password. Avoid using waterfall or stored passwords, since these can save old credentials that no longer work. If you've recently changed your password, make sure you're typing the latest one correctly. If you're using two-factor authentication, double-check that your device's time is accurate. River uses time-based codes for login verification, and if your phone's clock is even slightly off, it can reject your login attempt. Set your phone's date and time to automatic to fix this instantly. Still stuck? Clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps, River Financial Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This removes old files and resets your connection with River servers. Also, check for maintenance announcements. River sometimes performs security updates or maintenance that can temporarily prevent logins. If your account is still inaccessible, use the Forgot Password option or reach out to River support. They can help verify your identity and restore your access quickly. So, if you see login failed on River Financial, take a breath. It's usually a quick fix. Update your app, refresh your timing, and clear the cache. In minutes, you'll be back managing your Bitcoin with River's secure and reliable platform.